Halor ka jingkeno ba ka don ka Jingiapher ha ka National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test lani ka Neet bala Pynlong da ka National Testing Agency Hameglaya ka kenho jo ki Samla Pule ringkat bat ka Jingiapher Students Union kilai kendo yu menteri ka tanat Pule puthi rakam sangma bat kila kentu yau ba ka sarkar jela ba ka deban pentikna ban Pynlong Biang ya ka Eksamin Neet na ka bentai ki Samla Pule ki bana Jingiapher Hills bat Report District.
I represent.
And we have come up together, the Jingiapher Students Union and the Khasi Students Union. So we've also demanded from the government directly, I would say from the minister in charge, Sir Rakam Sangma and Honorable Chief Minister.
Yeah, our problem was the same. Like we received like 2 different sets of question paper, and we were asked to attempt only one. Like after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, they asked us to attempt the code MNOP, and then they asked us to set aside the QRST, which we were supposed to attempt.